The BMW Group is continuing to expand production capacity for the BMW X5 and to increase the diversity of the executive sports activity vehicles model range. New models with an extended wheelbase cater to the requirements of target groups in China. Local manufacture at the joint venture BMW Brilliance Automotive Limited will get underway in April 2022. Production of BMW X5 continues at Plant Spartanburg. The specially tuned chassis technology, including electronically controlled dampers as standard and optionally on the new BMW X5 xDrive40Li 2-axle air suspension with automatic self-leveling, strikes the perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. There is a choice of two efficient petrol engines featuring BMW twin-power turbo technology, 4-cylinder engine with new BMW X5 xDrive30Li, 6-cylinder inline engine with new BMW X5 xDrive40Li, whose power is directed to the road via an 8-speed Steptronic transmission, and the BMW xDrive intelligent all-wheel drive system.